Felix Mckenzie, a self-taught furniture maker from New Westminster, BC, specializes in custom solid wood furniture. His company, Loxley Studio, has been operating professionally for a little over 2 years now. As I mentioned, Mckenzie uses mainly solid wood in his designs, often shying away from figured wood. This table is a great example. The simple lines and straight grain create a sense of calm. Here's another great example. This sapele bench, complete with 2 drawers, is a great take on modern simplicity and functionality. One of the pieces Mckenzie is most famous for is his robot bar. Made mostly of solid sapele, it's a very striking design and functions nicely storing drinks and glasses. Here are some other pieces Mckenzie has made over the past few years. Mckenzie has a large workshop just outside of Vancouver to build furniture in. It's fully equipped with all the heavy machinery, power tools, and hand tools needed to build what his clients want in an efficient way. Mckenzie has a CNC router that brings accuracy and efficiency to building furniture. Mckenzie finds the CNC router one of the most important machines.